Energy plays a major part in Australians' lives. To power our homes and businesses, we rely heavily on coal and gas power stations. Australia's renewable energy target aims to generate electricity from sustainable sources such as solar energy. Did you know the sun generates enough energy in 1 hour to equal the energy consumption of the entire world population for 1 year? The supply of energy from the sun is limitless, clean, and free. How does it work? Solar electricity is generated using photovoltaic cell technology. Solar panels collect sunlight and then convert it to DC electricity. The system's inverter converts this to the same electrical current which comes from our traditional grid supply. Your solar electric system is connected directly to your electricity retailer through your smart meter, where the excess power your system generates will be fed back, for which you get credits from your retailer, and you could add batteries to the system whenever you want. $0 upfront. Government initiatives, 25-year warranties, thousands of dollars saved, increased property value, reduction of carbon footprints, and seniors insensitive. Canberra is one of the sunniest states in Australia. Average hours for bright sunshine a year in Canberra is 8 hours a day. That's awesome! Canberra Solar Shine is a local company based in Mitchell, ACT. We are here to help you get out the benefits of renewable solar energy. We can provide a wide range of services: on-grid system connections, off-grid system connections, energy storage solutions, solar maintenance, system mentoring solutions, EV electric car solutions, 24/7 customer service. Contact us for free consultation with one of our solar specialists. Visit our website www.canberrasolarshine.com.au or our Facebook page, Canberra Solar Shine. Contact us now for a free site assessment.